Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll provide you with a trending Fictic style Spider-Man times Messi edit preset for Alight motion. So without further delay, let's get started.
Yeah, I know, it's gonna be nuts, but we have to get there before the rush, okay? Shut up. I gotta go. Oh, you're Messi, right? Spider-Man. Yeah, I know, it's gonna be nuts, but we have to get there before the rush, okay? Shut up. I gotta go. Oh, you're Messi, right? Spider-Man.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Join Telegram channel XML will drop there once this video hit 20 likes. Thanks for watching!